Hey guys, it's Christina and welcome back to my vlog. And for today, we are gonna do another unboxing. So let's go and open it. We're gonna open this package that came from Korea. I bought it on Shopee from kpopmerch.ph. I will link it here or the name of the shop somewhere in this area. Oh, by the way, this is the BTS Map of the Soul Persona version 3. My freebies! Also, I have disinfected that already. Let's open it. Ang ganda! I think. I got my bias! Bias breaker! Uy, ang ganda! Uy, ang ganda ng print! Oh my god. Oh, it's a Hanto chart authentication card. There. Oh my god. Uy, ang ganda. Wait, ang ganda. Ooh, okay. Finally, for the album. Uy, it looks so pretty. Wow. Wow. It's sealed. Yes. Ang ganda. And it has that Komka logo. Okay. Let us open it. I have been wanting this album for so long because this is my favorite album based on the tracks. Wow. I am wondering who I'm gonna pull out. Ayun, nakikita ko na siya dito. Okay. Let's go. This is the version 3, by the way. I think I said that earlier, but okay. Wow. 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 I don't know why I smelled that for any reason. Uy, ang ganda. I'm gonna show you up close. Ang ganda. Wait, ganyan. And then, at the back, and the sides. Ang ganda! Okay. Let's pray! Oh, please let this be my bias or bias record. 주세요. Wait, di ako ready! So you have, oh my god, I got Hobby! Uy, ang cute! Ang cute ni Hobby! Oh my god, wait. I got, oh my god. Si yung, oh my god. May signature pala sa likod. May pa ganun, but, wow! I got my bias wrecker. Soap. Guys, soap! Oh my god. And then, we have the QR code. Whoa! Anong tawag dito? It's the film? Ang ganda. Wow! Saan ko ito itatago? Okay, well, good luck to me. And this is the notes, of course. Tina-translate ko to, guys. Pero hindi ko pa nababasa lahat. Yung sa iba kong albums. Notes. And then, I don't know what this is. For auditioning. Okay. Let us check. Very short yung unboxing na to kasi isa lang. And what's weird is, very late na ako. Ang ganda ng album. Oh my God, ito pala CD! Ang ganda ng CD. Wait. You can remove the photo book? Oh, you can remove it! Ay, wow, ang ganda. Ay, ito, oh, favorite. Wait. I can't show you how I'm gonna... Oh, si Jin! Oh my God. Alang cute. Alang cute! RM. Ano ba yan? Anong klase unbox? Si JK! Ang gwapo! Wait, I'm gonna show you. JK! JK! Oh my God. Uy, ang gwapo nila. Gwapo nila all. Wow! Oh, this is so nice. Uy, ang ganda ng texture. This is the first time I have a album na ganito yung texture. Hindi ko ma-explain. Parang siyang rubbery na smooth na... Hindi ko ma-explain. Wait, baka may something pa dito. Oh, you can really remove it. Okay. So here are the tracks. You have the intro Persona, Boy With Love, Microcosmos, Make It Right, Home, Jamai Vu. I don't even know how you pronounce that. And Dionysus. Oh my God. So pretty. This is the photo book. Ang ganda! Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda. I cannot. Wow! And isa pa, yung freebie nila. Ang ganda! Ayan. Kasi clear siya. And then, ang ganda talaga. Yoongi! Si Yoongi yung swerte ko ngayon. Oh my God, may bias wrecker. I cannot. Kita niyo yung bracelets ko. Bias, si JK, Yoongi, sa kabila. Oh my goodness. So, yan. Pero ang cute ni Hobie, ha? Wait, nasaan na to? Let's try this. Gusto ko lang makita. Wow! Ayan, guys. It's so pretty. It's my first time having a film like this. Kasi yung mga film ng parents ko, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na. But, ang ganda. Wow! BTS! Ay, baliktad pala ako. But, ayan. Ang ganda, oh. Wow, I'm so happy I bought this. And of course, let's not forget these. Oh, ganun pala siya sa likod. It's like, it has that lines and my texture siya. Parang embossed. J-Hope and Suga. So happy. I'm so happy with who I got. Cute. Never pa kasi ako nagka-hobby PC, so I'm very happy. Oh my God. Ang guwapo. Wow. So, anyway, that was a very short and quick unboxing. Short and quick, parehas lang. Lutang na ako. But anyway, if you guys liked how I unboxed this Map of the Soul Persona version 3, please give me a like. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!